Okay, hello, this is Blush. Holy crap, I will make a lot of videos today because I'm waiting for something and for someone and I have time. Okay, so I'll make another one in English and speaking just, I don't know, like this because it's easier and I don't know why and you know. Okay. Okay, which point? Do I have a point? Do I have a point? What could I talk about now? I could talk about dealing with my father or something. Okay, so you know, I wrote in my blog that I wrote him a letter because whenever I faced him when he's drunk, I get this energy flowing through me like anxiety, fear, and I start shaking and it's all fucked up. And I cannot just stop, you know, I can't just, okay. I mean, I did self-forgiveness, not allowed, but, you know. Anyway, I did it, I wrote it down and I did it in the situation, but it didn't help, really. It's a lot of energy and I didn't manage to deal with it. So I couldn't talk to him in person and said to say whatever, tell him that, you know, I won't support anymore his drinking because he's a drinker. He's a drinker and he comes home often drunk and then he abuses all around himself with his words, you know. He's like that. And I decided that I won't support that anymore because it always led to the same outcome, you know. So he was just pumping up his ego and trying to not taking responsibility for his troubles and trying to make others miserable to make himself feel better, you know. Okay, so I wrote him a letter and I explained that I won't support his drinking. I mean, that I will whenever he will be drunk, I will not speak with him, only hello and goodbye, that's it. And I left him the letter, and a few days after that, when I came back home, he wrote me back that he actually agrees, you know. But it was a weekend between I came back and saw the note, and during that weekend I experienced, every time that someone called me, you know, I thought it was my father and that he will yell on me or something, be angry or I don't know what, you know, try to manipulate me and stuff like that. And and I got this anxiety and fear, and when I looked at the phone, oh, it's not my father, and then okay, whew, that was, you know, lame. I have to do self-forgiveness, and okay, it was like that. And then when I actually saw the note, I saw that he wrote me back that he actually agrees with me and that he supports me in what I do, and that he just hopes that I have a good judgment of when he is drunk and when he's sober, so that I won't use that as an excuse for not talking to him or trying to avoid talking to him in general, you know. And that's a good point. I mean, I didn't expect that. It was very cool. It was very cool and helpful, and now he didn't really change his drinking habits, but he knows to stay away, you know, to not talk to me, and because he knows, you know, now he knows. He's like in that mode of self self-judgment and something like that. Maybe he's shame. Yes, he's ashamed of his doings, something like that. So that helped, you know. I stood up. I actually stood up for myself, and I stopped supporting the abuse, and that's it. That's all I can do, you know. I use common sense, and I stop the abuse, and I make changes where I can, you know, and that is cool. That was a cool point. Yes. Okay. That is this. This is it. To je to. I will talk later again. Or maybe just now, I don't know. Okay, I have one more point. Yes, I'm here. Well, you know, maybe if you followed my blog or something, you know that I had some troubles with this vlogging, because I didn't want to vlog and record me when someone else is around, because I feel ashamed and, you know, stuff like that. And I did self-forgiveness, but it's better, but it's not, I'm not completely clear of that. So, oh yeah, here you can see the picture, because it's not really intentional, but it's night. You can see the lights of the city. Tell ya, this is where I live. Isn't it pretty nice? Very pretty lights. All the systems, look at it. Yes, we have system here too, you see. It's very nice. It's very shiny. Okay, so yes, and also I actually, you know, if I would right now film my face and then go watch it, you know, I would still get that feeling of uncomfortability, or, you know, I don't like my face, you know, something like that. It's completely bullshit, but mindfuck and stuff. I know, but you know, I can, maybe for now I'll just do like this, you know. I have to be alone, you know, not really anyone around listening to me, you know, and I will do just like this, voice recordings, you know. If I, you know, it's better than nothing, you know. You slowly but surely I'm getting there. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. I said everything I have for now. Thank you for listening. You're very kind. Okay, bye bye.